OSOU 4th semester SEC-02 Data Analysis and Computer Application Block 1 Unit 1 Introduction to Computer System. Introduction. The word computer comes from the word compute, which means to calculate. Please underline this sentence. Hence, people usually consider a computer to be a calculating device that can perform arithmetic operation at high speed. Although the original objective of inventing a computer was to create a fast calculating device, we now define a computer as a device that operates upon data because more than 80% of work done by today's computer is data processing. Data can be anything like biodata of application. When computer is used for shortlisting candidates for recruiting, mark obtained by students in various subjects, when used for preparing results, details, name, age, sex, etc. of passenger, when used for making airline or railway reservations, a number of different parameters when used for solving scientific research problems, etc. Notice from the examples that data can be either numerical, non-numerical, or a mixture of both. A computer is often referred to as a data processor because it can store, process, and retrieve data whenever desired. Dear student, please underline this sentence. The name data processor is more inclusive because modern computers not only compute in the usual sense but also perform other functions with data that flows to and from them. For example, data processor may gather data from various incoming sources, merge, process of mixing or putting together them all, short process of arranging in some sequence, ascending or descending them in the desired order, and finally print them in desired format. Notice that none of these operations involves arithmetic computation in the usual sense, but a computer is the most suitable device for performing them. The activity of processing data using a computer is called data processing. Data processing consists of three sub-activities. Number 1, capturing input data. Number 2, manipulating the data. And number 3, managing output results. As used in data processing, information is data arranged in an order and form that is useful to people receiving it. Hence, data is raw material used as input to data processing, and information is processed data obtained as output of data processing. This is the diagram of computer data processor. Data, raw material, input, computer data processor, output, information, finished product. This is the diagram of a computer, also known as data processor, convert data into information.